Hello everyone! Today we're doing some t-shirt cutting, so grab your scissors. For this tutorial, you will need some t-shirts, a ruler, sharp scissors, and something to mark your clothing with. First up is the tied tube top. Turn your shirt inside out and lay it down flat. Draw a line across the shirt under the arms, leaving the center open. Now, this is a little hard to explain, but we're going to draw the straps from the center of this line upwards and around the collar. Make them about 1.5 inches wide. Now, cutting through both layers of fabric, start cutting out the straps, then cutting off the sleeves. Just on the top layer of fabric, cut a small slit a couple of inches down between the straps. Then flip the shirt over and cut the back layer straight across. Stretch the straps. Put your shirt on and tie the straps in a bow. You can also tie them in a knot and then around your neck like a halter. Next up is the Criss-Cross Crop top. Put your shirt on inside out and mark where you want the crop to be, just a little higher than the waist. Lay your shirt down flat, still inside out, and draw a line across the front of the shirt at your crop mark. Flip your shirt backside up and mark the crop line on each side. Draw a line across the back of the shirt, leaving the center open. Now we're going to draw the straps down from the center of the line, then curve them around to the side of the shirt on both sides. Make the straps about 1.5 inches wide. Now, draw 2 lines down from either side of the collar that meet in the center of the crop line where the straps start. Cutting through both layers of fabric, just cut out the bottom straps. Then flip the shirt over and cut through the top layer of fabric straight across the crop line, then trim the ends of the straps. Flip the shirt back over and cut through the back layer of fabric from the collar down to the straps. Stretch the straps. Put your shirt on with the straps in the back. Crisscross the straps in the back, then continue to wrap them around yourself a couple times and tie them together. Last up is the cinched bottom crop top. Put your shirt on inside out and mark your waist on both sides. Lay your shirt down flat and make sure your waist marks are even. Now measure and mark 2 inches below that and draw a line across the shirt. Make 8 dots evenly spaced across the line. Cut holes through both layers of fabric on all the dots, then cut across the shirt just under the holes. Cut a strip of fabric off the scrap bottom of the shirt. Stretch these pieces and then tie them together. Turn your shirt back inside right and lay it down flat, face up. Now, starting at one of the center holes, weave the strip of fabric in and out of the holes all the way around the shirt. Put your shirt back on, tie the shirt at your waist, and pull the front and back up. And that's everything! I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did or if you have any questions, be sure to let me know. If you're looking for more content, check out my other social medias, all at Anorthidol. You can subscribe to this channel by clicking here, or watch another video right over here. Thanks for watching!